Yes, I still hear your tone. Same room, but I'm dancing alone.
We had a very clear vision, and we've been working on this project and this vision for a while. So we have a good partnership together, and we needed that third-party partner. And so clear communication on costs and vision, and then we were on the same team to make that reality. And that's ultimately what led the confidence to why we selected you. We can do the vision and we can make the budget work. Gave us a little bit more excitement and confidence that we could do it.
What stood out a lot was the organizational approach, and just seeing the start to finish was laid out gave us confidence that everything's accounted for, from the design part to even the budget check-ins. And I think just being organized from start to finish.
Part of this process is a little sentimental, but knowing that you're going to go through a lot of stages of life, everything's going to grow and reshape. A big part of that is the house and the environment that you grew up in, and to give such a safe and beautiful environment for the kids, we can be our best selves. And yes, there's the financials of coming into a project like this, but you have to realize that it ultimately comes down to your family and your environment that you give, and it's really a beautiful process to be able to unlock that.
And you're building and designing something to scale through different stages of your life. I see all the kids here with their friends and movie nights and popcorn, although they can't eat on the sofa. No, upstairs we built that loft where the kids can hang out as a separate space too. Ending our family get-togethers in the music room with everyone hanging out and jamming is really cool. Built having an office here that allows us to continue working and creating this life for us, and just allowing us to be more present at home by having an office here. We call our guest room Grandma and Grandpa's room because we know that it'll give an opportunity for them to visit us more and spend more time with the kids.
Working with a firm that is family focused and really helped us unlock each of those features and reminded us to keep that top of mind. And so we felt really happy with the result of the different zones for each kind of occasion, not just for now, but also for as we grow as a family. Having that educational piece, and then we were able to fulfill kind of our dreams and what we really wanted and ultimately our vision. There was really 3 key things for a project of this size for success. And number 1 was the build quality. And that's something that lasts for decades. The other is cost, with really good dialogue on costs and staying disciplined on costs. With Murray Lampert's help, we were able to achieve that. And then it's the overall process. Yeah, and having a great partner to navigate through that. So just in summary, those 3 elements all being there together really helped drive a good overall experience for us.